So it's raining. I have only this. I don't have any coat. Oh look, was something in the water. Green water. If you make it sink in it, you never see it again. Bang. Adios. Red lights. Lots of construction work again. And so you see the clouds, the sky has been covered. The sky has been covered. And honestly, to some extent, I hate that fucking job. It's like, I don't want to do this to people, to expose them. It's fucking nuts. But then it's like, we invite your privacy, we don't care. So it's like, okay, let's go. It's a war of information, so. Okay. So I share information, you know. I share information. Oh no, actually I'm saying bullshit there. It's way too small here. It's way not profound enough. It's not profound enough. And the worst in this, is that I have to be freaking raped. While I could have, I don't know, someone that I want to have something with, you know. But no, it's blocked. It's blocked because control. And it's like, yeah, but do you control me now? It's like, where am I? Right? Where am I? I'm here. Green light. It's a green light. Green light. Oh, there is a green light on my wall. Is it on the wall of the garage? Or on the wall of the garage, I think it's a blue light. And on the floor, it's a green light. I think I'm gonna stay here a little to let it rain. I didn't eat anything else than this croissant today.